now ready once again. And the race is on, changing times from the outside, rushing up his Player Bottoms. Power Gear is racing third. Player Bottoms, now the leader, followed by entry number 4A, changing times. Field Runner is racing third alongside Red Lotus, Peace and Love. Gada Mexia is racing in sixth from the outside. Power Gear, My Boy Paulo, Midnight Break, and Trixime is running at the tail of the field. Passing the half-mile post, Flare Bottoms by a length and a half. Field Runner, Red Lotus from the outside, changing times, and Ganda Mexia. Rounding the far turn, Flare Bottoms by half a length. Red Lotus, Ganda Mexia, Field Runner is running by the rail as they race the last 450. Red Lotus, Flare Bottoms, Danori inside, Ganda Mexia as they race the final corner. Flare Bottoms regains the lead. Red Lotus in the middle. Ganda Mexia on the outside. And nearing the finish line, Ganda Mexia is now the leader. Flare Bottoms down on the inside. Red Lotus and rushing up his Midnight Break. And nearing the finish line, Ganda Mexia. Second, Flare Bottoms, Midnight Break, Peace and Love, and Field Runner for your Fantafecta.
Ayun.